guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So today's video is a little bit different than a normal Aldi haul. So I went to Aldi earlier and I've picked up everything that you need to feed your family 5 healthy meals for only £1 per person per meal. I'll show you all the ingredients that you'll need to make 5 super healthy meals for a family of 4 that will cost you less than £25 for the week. All the dinners that I'm showing you here today, I'll show you how to actually make them in a video that I will upload on my channel next week. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. The first ingredients I'll show you is everything that you'll need to make a gnocchi bake. So for this one, you will need some gnocchi. This was £1.19. You'll need some passata, 32p. You'll also need about half a jar of pesto, but I've charged the full jar here, so that was 85p. And then I'll serve it with some salad. So the salad was 69p. A ball of mozzarella, which was 45p, and then out of store cupboard ingredients I have a garlic clove, which would probably be the equivalent of around 3p. So this meal here would cost £3.53 and would serve a family of 4 with half a jar of pesto being left over for another meal. The next meal is Parmesan crusted fish served with chips and peas. So for this one I'm just using these frozen BASA fillets, which were £1.89. You'll also need some bread to go on top of this. So this loaf of bread cost 95p. Obviously you wouldn't need the whole loaf, so I think I only need 2 slices for this recipe. You'll also need some Parmesan. They didn't actually have any proper Parmesan in Aldi, so I picked up this Grano Padano, which is basically the same as Parmesan anyway, and this was £1.79. Again, that will be used in other meals as well. So then you'll need some parsley, which was 55p, and I picked up a bag of potatoes to make the chips, and the white potatoes were £1.19, and then also some peas, which come in at 59p. So this meal comes in a little bit more expensive at £7.75, but that's because I'm including obviously the Parmesan, the bread and the potatoes and the peas, and in fact the lemons, which can all be used for other dinners, so it is actually a lot cheaper than you think. Wednesday night we're going to be having spaghetti carbonara, but a kind of healthier version. So for this one you will need some spaghetti, which was 45p, bacon, which came in at £1.49. You'll need the peas, which are used in the fish meal. The Parmesan, again, I use that in the fish meal. You'll need some milk. So this milk costs £1.09p, but I won't need that much. And then from the store cupboard, you'll need 1 egg, a garlic clove and just some dried basil, so I'm sure you've all got that lying around. And this meal came in at £3.03, and that is including the milk, so if you didn't include that, that would be a lot cheaper too. Thursday evening I'm going to make a chorizo and bean stew. So for this one you'll need a chorizo ring. I haven't actually tried this one before, so I'm really looking forward to this. This is the reduced fat Spanish chorizo, and that came in at £1.39. I'll also need 1 onion. I've got a pack of 3 here, so the 3 packs of onions were 67p. A tin of chopped tomatoes, which are 35p. I will also use some parsley that I used for the other meal, the fish meal from earlier, and then I just serve it with these bake at home rolls, which are really good value. So you get 4 rolls in each pack for 42p, and I'll serve it with 2 lots of these, so that's only 84p. And then I also need a tin of cannellini beans, which they didn't have in Aldi, but I will pick it from Tesco's and cost 55p in Tesco's. And then I just need a couple of garlic cloves from your store cupboard. So the total of this meal is £3.80. Friday evening we often have something Mexican, so this Friday we're going to have chicken enchiladas, which I make in the slow cooker and are super easy. So for this I will use chicken 5 portions, which are £1.65. A packet of peppers, which are 95p, a pack of wraps, which is 79p, and then I'll also need taco mixed beans in a spicy tomato sauce, which they didn't have, so I'll pick them up from Tesco's, and they are 65p. So the total of this meal is £4.04. I hope that you've enjoyed this haul and it gave you some inspiration of some healthy and cost-effective meal ideas that you can feed your family with. If you have, then I would love for you to give it a thumbs up, and remember, next week I'll be showing you how to make these dinners, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.